Hello students, last year we uploaded one video for NEET paper analysis. We got a lot of appraisal, but this year we are concentrating for same concept of 33 years paper analysis subject wise. So this video exclusive for physics subject. Last 33 years NEET Physics Topicwise Analysis. We'll discuss chapter wise and topic wise, that is very important. And one more good news, this year we have complete EduTech division in which we have complete online courses, recorded video course, also online test series available. Currently admission is going on for NEET 2022 and JEE and NEET 2023. Last year our top mark is 680 because of our proper planning and team, Marvel team and student support. We produced this result 680. This year our target is 700 plus. We'll start with the first chapter. First we will discuss all the chapters in 11th standard and then 12th standard. 11th standard first chapter, physical world, units and measurements. Last 33 years 50 questions came. Okay, almost all the topics question came. Very important, concentrate all the topic, even though this is not, most of the students and teachers says this is not an important topic, but if you are strong in basic concepts you can easily score very good mark and you can easily avoid silly mistakes. That is a very important secret about a very good mark is concentrate more on basic concept. So this is one of the basic concept chapter. So focus all the topics. 10 topic is there, give equal importance to all the topic, even though it is not important for examination point of view, but go through all the topics because this is a fundamental foundation for remaining topics. Okay, so you can expect one question from this chapter. Out of 45 you can expect one question from physical world. Physical world they won't ask, they will ask only in units and measurements. Second chapter, motion in a straight line, one of the very important chapter. Here it has 7 topics and very important topic is kinematic equations for uniformly accelerated motion. So focus more on this topic, give equal importance to all, but focus more on this topic. 22 question, around out of 33 years 22 question means 2/3 of the question paper contains this topic. Okay, and even you can concentrate this also because the question may come in any topic, but maximum important weightage is 6th topic, kinematic equation for uniformly accelerated motion. You can expect either one question or 2 question, depends upon the question paper. Okay, and I will prepare one video based on the content of the chapter and importance of the chapter. So after this video I will upload that very small video in which I will give 4 different group A, B, C, D. A is nothing but easy chapter, maximum weightage, and B, difficult chapter, maximum weightage, and C, difficult chapter, minimum weightage, and last difficult chapter, easy chapter but not important. Okay. Now third chapter, motion in a plane. Total number of question is 47. Most all the topics question came. So focus more on all the topic, but here this topic, these 2 are very important. Projectile motion and uniform circular motions are very important, but see here. So these topics also question came from scalars and vectors. So focus, see, if you are aiming for very good mark means 160 plus, at least 120 plus, you have to focus at least 80% of the physics chapter. If you are taking preparing for only 80% of the chapter, then focus more on each and every topic. Don't read selective topics in each chapter. Okay, that is very important tips. So in this chapter you can expect either one question or 2 question. So depends upon the question paper. Suppose in previous chapter 2 questions came, here only 1 question. Overall 3 questions from 1D and 2D. And laws of motion, So one of the very important chapter, and it is an easy chapter. You can expect 100% 2 questions from this chapter, 2 questions from laws of motion. Most all the topics are important. See here, Newton's second law of motion and common forces of mechanics, circular motion, and solving problems in mechanics. So if you see, if you add all the 4 topics, you'll get around 60 questions. So maximum number of times 2 questions from these 2. Sometimes any other second question may come in any other topics. So don't forget, laws of motion is one of the very important chapter in 11th standard. This is little bit big chapter, but weightage is also more. Okay, so 2 questions you can expect from laws of motion chapter. Next, work power energy, another very important chapter. This is also a chapter which contains more concept, and hence the weightage is also more. You can expect 2 questions from this. Most all the topics questions came except this, but focus this also. Okay, so you can't give specific important to any topic. You have to concentrate all the 12 topics, and you can expect 2 questions from this work, energy and power. So focus each and every topic. Also practice previous year, 33 years previous year NEET questions and NCERT concepts, everything. If you are strong, you can easily attend 2 questions from this chapter. And the system of particles and rotational motion, one of the another important chapter, very big chapter. It has more number of topics, that's why split it into 2 table. Okay, first 7 topics you can expect 1 question from first 7 topics, and in the second 7 topics this is system of particles and rotational motion. 8 to 14, see here all the topics. So totally 96 questions. You can expect 3 questions from system of particles and rotational motion. So last 3 chapters, laws of motion, work energy power, and system of particle and rotational motion, you can expect 7 questions, so around 28 marks from these 3 chapters alone. Okay, so focus more on specific chapters, and then so as I already informed that A and B important chapter, that is maximum weightage easy chapter, maximum weightage difficult chapter. If you focus these 2 category, you can easily score 120 to 140 marks in NEET physics. Okay, so these 3 chapters are very important, and the chapter which contains maximum topic is system of particles and rotational motion. It has 14 topics. Okay, next, gravitation. Gravitation is an easy chapter, but you can expect 2 questions from gravitation, because 2 questions from gravitation. 12 topics are there. Among these 12, see here, these 2 are the most important topic: acceleration due to gravity of earth and escape speed. And all other topics also questions came. Okay, so focus all the 12 topics and concentrate more on these 2 topics, and don't skip these topics. So concentrate these also. That is very important. Okay, concentrate these, because this year they may come in from the omitted topics. But if you are giving full concentration, focus more on each and every topic. Okay, so gravitation is a easy chapter, but you can score 8 marks. That is 2 questions will come from gravitation. So don't forget, you will get 2 questions from gravitation. And our Marvel special course exclusive for 11th standard students, name of the course is DREAM. We have year-long live classes is there, and offline classes is also there, and our specialization is recorded video course, that is also available. If you visit our website, you can see all the available courses. Out of 24 students, 18 students joined Government Medical College through merit. This is a success. We have only 4 years results, because Marvel started from 2016 July. Our first batch is 2017. So within 4 years, our success is 680, highest success rate. This year we are expecting 700 plus in NEET 2021. Next topic, mechanical properties of solid. This is less important chapter. So far only 10 questions came from 33 years NEET. Only 7 topics are there, in which 2 topics question came, but anyway focus this. Only either 0 or 1 question will come, 0 or 1 question from mechanical properties of solids. And next topic also less important, mechanical properties of fluid, 14 questions. So together you can expect 1 question, mechanical properties of solid and mechanical properties of fluid, you can expect 1. If question from that topic means they won't ask from this chapter, okay, that is very important. 7 topics, only 14 questions, 14 plus 15, 30, so around 1 question from both the chapters. So either 1 or 0, that 0 or 1, here 1 or 0. Next, thermal properties of matter, one of the very important chapter, but little bit a difficult chapter, but you can expect either 1 or 2 question from this chapter. Most all the questions are important, but focus this heat transfer, 30 questions from last 33 years, so definitely you can expect 1 question from this heat transfer. So if you are preparing for a NEET, concentrate all the chapters, topics, but focus more on this, practice more problem in this topic, because that is very important. So these are all single digit, but this is 30, and hence, so focus more on heat transfer and practice more questions from this topic. So surely you will attend 1 question from this chapter. You can expect either 1 or 2 questions, depends upon the question paper. One of the very important, and this is under difficult and important chapter category. Next, thermodynamics, another very important chapter. I think it has 2 screen, yes, 57 questions. The first 7 topics, only 3 topics question came, and remaining 6 topics. See, thermodynamic processes, thermodynamic processes. So 31 questions, so 100% you can expect 1 question from this. Okay, so 57 questions, you can expect either 1 or 2. So maximum you can expect 2 questions from this thermodynamics. Give equal importance to all, but practice more question from this topic, thermodynamic processes. That is very, very important. So this is under difficult chapter, but highest weightage category, thermodynamics. And kinetic theory, 30 questions, so you can expect 1 question from this chapter. So only 7 topics, almost all the topics questions came except the first, but give equal importance, because if you see the number of questions 8, 7, 4, 9, 2, so give equal importance. So concept practice problems in all the 7 topics, that is very important. Kinetic theory, this is very easy chapter, but only 1 question you can expect from this chapter. And oscillations, you can expect 2 questions. Among 10 topics, see here 25 questions from velocity and acceleration in simple harmonic motion, and some system executing simple harmonic motion, 21. Concentrate these 2 topics, practice more question from these 2 topics, and give equal importance to all. But practice, that is, see, very simple. See, whatever the study material you have, so but collect more question from these highest weightage topics, practice more question, and give equal importance to, see, concept wise be clear for all the 10 topics, practice wise practice more problems from these 2 topics. That is very important. Surely you can easily attend the questions. Okay, so oscillation, you can expect surely 2 questions from this chapter. And waves, so waves also another very, very important chapter. This is a very big chapter. tough chapter but highest weightage category. Out of 8 topics, see here all are double digit except these two, all are double digit. So give equal importance to all and practice more question from all the topics because of this analysis. So out of 7 topics, 8 topics, 81 questions came from last 33 years. So give equal importance to this. Now, so far we discussed 11th standard physics chapter. You can expect from 19 to 23 questions from 11th standard. So minimum 19, maximum 23. But maximum questions weightage is 12th standard physics topic only. But in which few topics are chapters are very, very important. I will explain again laws of motion, work energy power, system of particles and rotational motion, then thermal properties of matter, thermodynamics, oscillations and waves. So these 8 chapters are very, very important in 11th standard physics category. Okay. So next we will discuss 12th standard chapters. I will discuss 12th standard physics chapters. First chapter, electric charges and field. It has more than 8 topics. Total number of questions is 32. So you can expect one question from this. See here a few topics, no question for the last 33 years. Only 3 topics, single digit questions are there. But remaining topics, each topic single questions. So far only 32 questions. So you can expect one question from this chapter. First chapter in 12th standard physics. So one question from electric charges and fields. Second chapter, before that we have exclusive program for 12th standard students. The name of the program is Winner. So Winner program, you have offline classes, live online classes and recorded video courses available. Also we have a test series through our Marvel Prep app, and through our website we have exclusive test series. And the second chapter in 12th standard, electrostatic potential and capacitance. Again it has more topics, around 16 topics are there. 54 questions came from last 33 years. You can expect either 1 or 2 questions from this. The first 8 topics, all the topics are important, so you can concentrate each and every topic. Not possible to skip any topic because all the topics 1 or 2 that is single digit questions came. And remaining topics, so out of 16, around 14 topics question came, 1 to single digit, less than 10 questions from each and every topic. So concentrate all the topic. You can expect either 1 question or 2 question from electrostatic potential and capacitance chapter. And next chapter is very, very, very important chapter, current electricity. Current electricity, it has also more than 8 topics. Around 16 topics are there, 119 questions. One of the highest number of questions in 12th standard physics. So you can expect either 3 or 4 questions from this. See, so here first 8 topics are important, so concentrate all the topic. But see here this topic, combination of resistors, series and parallel. 100% one question will come from this. So another 2 questions you can expect from the remaining topics. And electrical energy and power is also important. So practice more question from these topics and concentrate remaining topics for the 2 questions. So compulsory 1 question from here and remaining 2 or 3 questions from the remaining topics. The highest number of questions, so far we discussed 18 chapters, in which this is the highest number of questions, current electricity. So focus in 12th standard, one of the very important and highest weightage chapter is current electricity. So you can expect either 3 or 4 questions from this chapter. And next chapter, moving charges and magnetism. So 86 questions from 33 years. So you can expect 2 to 3 questions. See here, all are important. Among all the 11 topics, all are important. So give equal importance to this so you can't focus in one particular topic, so give equal importance for all the topics. So practice problems from all the topics. So one of the another important chapter in 12th standard physics chapter, moving charges and magnetism. Magnetism and matter, only 34 questions from 33 years, so you can expect one question from this. But here this bar magnet is very important, and magnetic properties of material is very important. So practice more problems, MCQ question from these two, but give equal importance to the remaining topics also, because maybe this year the question may come from these two topics, but only one question. So you have to see, if a chapter which has only one question, so you have to concentrate. If you are preparing for, if you are considering in your preparation list, you have to concentrate all the subtopics. That is very important, okay. And electromagnetic induction, so you can expect one question from electromagnetic induction out of 10 topics. So all are important, in which this is most important topic. Practice question from all the chapters and focus more on this inductance. That is very important subtopic. So electromagnetic induction. Next, alternating current, you can expect either one or two questions. So maximum one question you can expect, and give equal importance to all the topics, and practice more question from these two, more question from these three topics. Alternating current, actually this is based on last 33 years NEET papers. That is very important. And this is an exclusive program for repeaters, 12th pass students. 12th pass students, and we have the exclusive classrooms as well as digital studio, live classes only from this Marvel studio. We have complete setup of live interactive classes. This is our one of the very big studio in Chennai, and we have offline classes also. And if you are not possible to join these two, you can join a recorded video course. So it's because will give complete assurance to this results. That is very important. That is the secret of getting more marks in NEET 2020. So last year, as you know, NEET 2020 highest mark in our Marvel is 680, and biology highest mark is 356, physics highest mark 172, chemistry highest mark 172. So next topic, next chapter, electromagnetic waves. So one of the chapter which has that's important, only one question you can expect, but these two topics are very important. You will focus this also, but these two you can expect one question from this. This is tough chapter, but you can expect only one question from this, electromagnetic waves. And ray optics and optical instrument, one of the very important chapter in 12th standard. After current electricity, ray optics is very important. You can expect two questions. You can expect two questions from ray optics, but most important topic is this, refraction of spherical surfaces and bilenses. But focus, see, if you are selecting important chapter, means concentrate all the topics, that is important, but focus on most important chapter, practice more question from that chapter, but concept wise you have to strong in all the topic. That is very important, okay. So ray optics and optical instrument, you can expect two questions. So these two also very important, and concentrate this also. So two questions you can expect from ray optics chapter. Next, wave optic chapters, again you can expect either one or two questions from wave optics. Maximum you can expect one question, but these two topics, interference of light waves and Young's experiment, also diffraction, these two are the most important topic, but give equal importance. Here also you can practice this, but practice more question from these two, that is very important, okay. So both ray optics and wave optics you can expect either 3 or 4 questions. Combined together you can expect 3 or 4, depends upon the question paper. Okay, so don't forget to prepare well in ray optics and wave optics. Okay, next, dual nature of radiation and matter, 77 questions, so you can expect 2 questions from this. So focus this topic: Einstein photoelectric equation, energy quantum of radiation, also experimental study of photoelectric effect, and practical nature of light, the photon. These 3 are most important, most repeated question topic, but other topics also you can focus. So practice all the topics, but practice, select more questions from these 3 topics. So 77 means you can expect either 2, very rare you can expect 3 questions, but you can expect 2 from dual nature of radiation and matter. And atoms. Atom you can expect 1 questions, 1 or 2. See here, Bohr model of hydrogen atom, 28%. You can expect 1 question from these 2 topics alone. Okay, so very rare you can expect other topics, but practice, concept wise practice all the topics and practice more questions from these 2. That is very important for atoms. And similarly nuclei also, nuclei 96 questions, so you can expect 3 questions from this. See here, radioactivity, 100% you can expect 1 or 2 questions from radioactivity. So give more practice in that, select more questions, previous year questions, and Ames question, JIPMER question, everything from radioactivity. That is very important. So out of 96, 51 question, around 2/3 of the questions from radioactivity itself. So focus all the topics, but practice these 2 topics. These 2 itself you can expect 2 questions from these 2 topics. So atoms and nuclei, so you can expect either 5 or 6 questions from these 2. Similarly, wave optics and ray optics, atoms and nuclei, these 4 topics are very, very important. Okay, and semiconductor. After current electricity, the next highest number of question is 115. There 119, but here 115. You can expect either 3 or 4 questions. 3 or 4 questions from current electricity. All the topics are important, in which semiconductor diode and junction transistor, digital electronics and logical gates, these are all very important topics. So you can expect, if you see these 3 topics itself, you can expect 2 questions. So remaining topic you can expect 1 question. So either 3 or 4 questions. Last year I think 4 questions came from semiconductor. Okay. So the semiconductor chapter is one of the very highest weightage chapter, like current electricity. It has 115 questions. This is our contact details. Our YouTube channel is Marvel Classes. This is our new YouTube channel. Old YouTube channel, we have some technical issues. And join our Telegram channel. Every Sunday we are conducting free mock test through Google Form. At present we are conducting through Google Form. After 2 weeks we will conduct through our website. Join this Telegram channel, Marvel Classes, if you want to attend free mock test. Also you can expect useful material, Marvel material will post in that Telegram channel. Now I will conclude this video, particularly 12th standard chapters. 12th standard chapters, if you concentrate 6 to 8 chapters, that is current electricity, you can expect 4 questions, semiconductor 3 to 4 questions, 8 questions, optics and ray optics and wave optics 3 questions, 8 plus 3, 11 questions, atoms and nuclei 5 questions, so around 15 questions, so 60 marks. So if you concentrate 6 chapters, you will get 60 marks, so you can attend easily 15 questions from these 6 chapters. Okay, so very, very important chapters in 12th standard physics. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions or feedback, so don't forget to comment your comments in the comment box. Also share this video with your school friends and NEET aspirants. So very soon we will upload a similar video for chemistry and biology also. Thank you.